Ooh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi. If you're new here, my name is Shab and thank you for joining. Today I wanted to show you the new GlossyBox beauty box for February, which is the Timeless Treats edition. I have the white box version. I believe there's two different versions that they are doing, which is the black and white. And so I'm going to be showing you the white box today. If you don't know about this GlossyBox, it is a subscription beauty box which you can have on a rolling monthly basis. You can have a one-off, or you can sign up to 3, 6 or 12 months. Depending on which kind of plan you have, depends on the price. I am signed up to a 12-month contract, so I do get mine for about £11.75 per month. Let's have a look. It's been a short while since I made a video in my favourite work dress. Okay, so the first thing I can see in here is liquid eyeliner from Heyyyy, and it's in the shade black. You'll have to really excuse my nails. I've had an absolute nightmare. Basically, my acrylics were bending off and snapped my natural nail halfway down. It's basically a warning sign that I haven't looked after my nails for quite some time. I am going to actually soak off the nails tonight, and I have a bit of a recovery method. Give myself a little bit of a break. Our liquid eyeliner pen creates sharp liner looks with ease. The unique formula includes a key extract of a colour-intense, smudge-proof finish for creating feline flicks or intricate artistic looks. Unlock your individuality at heyyyy.com. They did announce that they were including this product, so I think that the different versions of the beauty box have 2 of the same products, and then 3 different products. Yeah, so this is what the packaging looks like. I believe this is a little bit of a mini version of the product, but I'm very excited to try this actually. It's PETA approved and vegan. I'm really excited to try this. I really like Heyyyy products, and I've never tried an eyeliner, so that is very exciting. Okay, the next thing I've got in here is from the Beauty Crop, and this says BFF, which is Brow Friends Forever. Ooh, this is Grow and Groom Brow Gel. Interesting. So this is what the packaging looks like. So it's just a clear gel, and I really needed some kind of grow serum for my eyebrows. It says enriched with nourishing vitamin E and conditioning castor oil, our brow gel is your true BFF when it comes to volumizing, defining and taming your brows without looking stiff. Used alone or over your favourite powder, it sets the hairs into whatever shape you want. Apply the gel in short upward strokes, following the direction of hair growth. It also says it's vegan, cruelty-free, no parabens, no mineral oil, formulated with castor oil, vitamin E and aloe vera. I'm very excited to give that a go. So by the sounds of it, you can use it over your eyebrows when you've actually filled them in, which is quite cool, or you could have no makeup on and use it as well. It looks like it might, you know, set, groom and grow apparently, which I definitely need. My eyebrows are quite sparse, and I have been wanting to try a brow gel that claims to help them grow for quite a while, so I will be giving this a good go. Let me know if you've tried any of the products down below. Let me know what you think of the box down below. Okay, the next thing I've got is from We Are Paradox. It says repair 3-in-1 conditioner, hair mask and finishing cream for silk-like softness. This is quite a big tube actually. It's a 50ml tube. So it says 90% plastic free, 99% natural, vegan and cruelty free. Directions for use: after shampooing, work into wet hair and rinse. As a mask, apply to damp or dry hair and leave overnight. Or apply to styled hair as a finishing cream. Ooh, this sounds nice. It's probably going to be sealed. I wanted to smell it. You get quite a lot in that really. Very interesting. I've never had a leave-in overnight mask, so it'd be interesting to try it like that. But also you can use it as a styling cream as well, I'd imagine, to kind of like smooth down your hair. I'll definitely be giving that a good go. And the next thing I've got is from Vegan by Happy Skin, or I think it's called Vegan by Happy Skin. Original Skin Essence Toner, chamomile, alcohol free, natural ingredients, cruelty free and vegan as well. Again, this is quite a good size, especially for a toner. You don't tend to use that much, and this is 100ml. So yeah, that's a really good sample size. I'll let you know how I get on with that. Oh, it's got aloe vera juice in it as well, and calendula. It smells really nice. And the last product we've got is from Rituals Sparkling Hair and Body Mist. It's sweet orange and cedarwood. Ooh. And this is a 20ml bottle. Hair and body mist. Let's try it. Oh, that's strong. It's very orangey. And then cedarwood kind of like comes through at the end. Oh, it smells lovely. My hair smells divine. But that was the other product that they did release on these sneak peeks as well. So I was expecting that. However, they didn't make it very clear whether it would be in both boxes. I'm going to assume that it is, and then the other 3 products will be different in each of the black and the white boxes. I absolutely love this box. I think this is one of my favourites so far, but I just think that's because I know I will get good use out of all of the products, and they are really, really nice products. I definitely think, you know, it's worth the money. It was shipped really quick this month as well, which I was really happy about, because normally I get my my GlossyBox quite late in the month, but yeah, I did get it really early on this month. I will link the website down below if you're interested in having a look. Let me know what you think of the February box down below, and if you've tried any of the products before, let me know what you think. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.